Today is another Mother's Day special. I am making, I don't know if you have seen, but there's, certain health cafes that you go into and they've got chia seed puddings there and they might be $7 or $9. And it just blows my mind that they're so simple to make. And I know that it is the process of actually making them, but today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a chia seed pudding that you can make for either breakfast. A lot of people have them for breakfast, or because they are such a nutritionally balanced meal, start to the day. And I see that I've cut my head off again, so I'm now just crouching down a little bit. Or they're a really great dessert if you want something sweet, but they've got the healthy fats and they've got the nutritional benefits of chia seeds. So my name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. So chia seeds pack a huge nutritional punch. Tell me, do you have chia seeds in your diet? Is it something that you make sure that you eat frequently? Or is it something that you kind of forget about, don't know how to use them? Or I'd love to know, have you made a chia seed pudding before? So chia seeds are full of fiber. They are full of, a great source of protein and also a really great source of omega fatty acids, omega 3s. So what, being that they're a great source of fiber, they're going to keep you fuller for longer. So they are a really great ingredient to be getting more into your diet, and I'm going to show you how to do them. This is perfect for Mother's Day. For yourself, give them the recipe. The recipe's coming out in my newsletter tomorrow. If you're not on my newsletter list, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new, and so you'll get the recipe tomorrow. And great, as I said, for a breakfast or a dessert. Now I'm just making them plain today because I love them plain. But you can add different types of berries into it. You can just sort of mix and match. You could do feijoa, you could do strawberry or blueberry or whatever berries you love and have got. So I'm starting off with, this is just going to make 2 portions. I'm starting off with some coconut cream. So there's your great source of healthy fats. I'm adding some Greek unsweetened yogurt. So there's your form of protein. If you are dairy free, then just use coconut yogurt. And honestly, you're going to be amazed at how quickly this is. I'm adding, so either add in some vanilla essence, or I'm just using a little bit of vanilla powder because I find that easier to use. A 1/4 cup of chia seeds. A little bit of sweetener. Up to you what sweetener you use. I'm just using a little bit of maple syrup. Such a small amount, you don't need to worry about it. And then all we're going to do is whisk it up. So if you were putting berries in, then you can just put your berries in the bottom of your glass, or you can add them on the top. Have them defrosted. Honestly, guys, this is so easy. You have to give them a go. That is done. And now I am going to pour them into these glasses, and then I set them in the fridge for a good hour, a couple of hours until they're ready. A lot of people will make up on a Sunday night, will make up a week's worth and just have them in jars or have them in glasses and just put them in the fridge. I'm going to sprinkle some, when I serve them, I'm going to sprinkle some sliced almonds on the top. You can put whatever you want on the top. So the perfect Mother's Day breakfast, or as I say, you can even have them as a dessert as well. Now, I wanted to show you, this is my other exciting Mother's Day gift that I wanted to share with you. It is a tea towel, which I have had printed, and it's got my sayings on it, which I swear by and I live by daily. Like, with the right tools, healthy eating is easy. Who you are is good enough. Your health matters. Be wickedly bold. So it's just got all these sayings on it. If you go to my website, wickedwellbeing.com/gift, I'll put the link in the comments box below. You can have a close-up look at this. I've got it just sitting here. It's designed to inspire you and motivate you and dry the dishes. I made sure it's 100% cotton. It's got really drying, it's really absorbent. It's an off-white, it's like a calico color because I just don't like white tea towels because they mark too easily. And it's just a really cool gift to you, from you, or to your mother, or to someone special in your life. So if you want to head to my website to check that out, head to wickedwellbeing.com/gift. And they're $14.95. And so I've had people ordering 3 or 4 to give as gifts and for themselves as well. So I will put the link in the comments box below, and this recipe will be coming out in my newsletter tomorrow. If you're not on my newsletter list, head to wickedwellbeing.com/new. I will also put that link in the comments box below. Thank you for joining me. Tell me, have you made a chia seed pudding before? Or have I shown you how insanely easy it is and you'll actually give it a go? Okay. See ya!